Does a factory reset delete everything? When you run a factory reset on Windows 11, it allows you to choose to keep your files or delete everything. If you plan to sell your computer, please select Remove Everything. It will delete any apps you installed and all the personal files on the device, and also the settings that are in accordance with your personal preferences. If you just reset Windows 11 for speed and function improvement, the option Keep My Files will keep your data intact. But it's still recommended to back up the files in case of any accidents during the resetting process. Next, I'm going to clone the system disk to another to ensure data security. I will use this tool. If you find it useful later, please download it in the description. On the main interface, choose Clone Disk. Choose Clone Disk Quickly or Sector-by-Sector Clone as your cloning method. Select the drive you want to back up as the source disk and select your new drive as the destination disk. If it's an SSD, tick Optimize the performance of SSD and click Next. You are able to resize the partitions on the new drive or keep the default choice and click Next. Finally, hit Finish, apply to back up your files before resetting. This tool can help you protect your data by cloning systems, programs, or files from one drive to another. If the source drive is damaged or the data on it is lost, you can restore the data from the cloned one quickly. Besides, it can help you move apps from C drive to other drives easily to free up more space. It can recover lost partition or files and more. Hit the link in the description to download the tool to try it. You can upgrade to the Pro Edition to clone your disk later. Here is how to factory reset Windows 11 in a few simple steps. Open Windows Settings and click Recovery, Reset PC. Then, you will be shown two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Choose one based on your need. Follow the next prompts and read the instruction carefully to begin resetting your PC. This process may take around 2 hours to finish. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.